Konnichiwa, I'm John Hornick. Welcome to my Japanese Faves series. This lesson is Smoked Chicken Fried Rice 5. I also call this dish Triple Chickeny Fried Rice because the rice has been cooked in chicken water and mixed with chicken, and the chicken and rice mixture is stir-fried with smoked chicken. It's a chicken lover's delight. So let's start cooking. The first thing we're going to do is toss the main ingredients in a little olive oil. So we have the smoked chicken there, we have the onions and the spinach. I'm using baby spinach. You could use a mixture of spinach and arugula or just arugula. And the carrots, and then the little pappadeaux peppers. Now, if you can't find the red and yellow, just use the red. If you can't find either one, you could just chop up some red bell pepper or yellow bell pepper or both. Adding those in there. And then the garlic. And we're going to add a little salt and pepper. Do it lightly. You can always add more. Can't take it away. And then we're going to add some freshly ground black pepper. And then a little bit of olive oil. And then we're going to toss that to mix. All right, now let's mix up our shoyu, Japanese soy sauce, and sake. All of the amounts are in the notes, okay? And now these could all be added separately, but I like to mix them up so that when they are added to the rice and the wok, they distribute evenly. Stir that up real well. Okay, we're going to put about a tablespoon of duck fat in the wok, and we're going to heat that till it's hot. Okay, we're starting to get some whiffs of smoke from the duck fat. Now we're going to add our meat and vegetable mixture. Okay, and we're going to stir fry that for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, we've been stir frying for about 3 minutes. Now we're going to reduce the heat. Okay, and we're going to remove these ingredients from the wok. I'm going to keep them warm. I'm going to try to get these other remnants out of the pan here, out of the wok. Put them with the others. Okay. All right, now we're going to add a bit more duck fat, about a tablespoon. We're going to let that melt and get warm, but not smoking hot. Okay, the oil is warm. We're going to add our chicken and rice mixture, and we're going to drizzle the shoyu, sesame oil, and sake mixture over the top. And then we're going to stir that to mix it up, okay? Okay, now we're going to add back in the chicken and vegetables mixture. And we're going to stir that up, mix. All right, now we're going to add our poached egg. We're going to break it up and stir that to mix. All right, now we're going to adjust the seasoning. I don't think it needs any more salt and pepper. If you think it needs salt and pepper at this point, you'd add it. Now we're ready to plate. Okay, now we're going to plate up some of the chicken and rice. Then garnish it with some sesame seeds, some chopped chives, and there we have it. Smoked Chicken Fried Rice 5. You can see photos of the final dish at my Instagram, which is @Chef's Apprentice, Cook Like a Pro. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.